In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve exposure adjustment on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, let me show you how we can adjust the exposure. On a photo mode, we need to tap right here at that arrow to show up that toolbar, and then we need to tap at that icon. It allows us to control the exposure on a photo. To add some exposure, we need to drag it to the right, and that will make our picture brighter. However, we can also move it to the left to make it darker. I'm gonna set it to +1 on a photo mode. On a video mode, we can also control the exposure. To do that, we need to tap at that arrow, tap at exposure button, and then in the same way we can increase or decrease exposure parameter by dragging the scale. However, the problem here is that if we close camera up and if we open it up again after a while, it will reset exposure adjustment to 0, to its defaults. However, we can easily preserve exposure adjustment settings. All you have to do is just head over to settings, then scroll down until you find camera. Then tap at Preserve Settings, and that's where you can easily find exposure adjustment. All you have to do is just turn it on. While it is turned on, it will preserve the exposure adjustment rather than automatically reset and always show the exposure adjustment indicator. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.